Building better classrooms with online training for rural science teachers. Teachers in remote regions often face a major problem: accessing the training they need to help their students succeed. Brooke Moore and her colleagues at Fort Hays State University wish to address this issue, especially for middle school science teachers in rural Kansas. In her recent study, Moore's team explored whether an online professional development program could be just as effective as traditional in-person workshops. In many rural areas, teachers simply cannot attend in-person training courses due to their location. In the study, 15 science teachers from rural Kansas were randomly chosen to either attend in-person workshops or participate in an online version of the same program. Both groups learned how to use the new science curriculum aligned with the next-generation science standards. This curriculum helps students explore science through real-world applications, making the subject more engaging and relevant to their daily lives. Moore's research showed that the online training program was just as effective as the in-person sessions. This demonstrated that online learning can be a powerful and flexible way to support teachers who live far from urban centers. Both groups of teachers saw improvements in their confidence, ability to use new teaching techniques, and overall effectiveness in the classroom. More importantly, students taught by these teachers gained a deeper understanding of science. Why is this so important? Well-trained science teachers are critical for helping students succeed in today's world. Science skills are in high demand, and students who do well in science subjects at school are more likely to pursue careers in medicine, engineering, and environmental science. Strengthening the workforce in these fields is critical for tackling humanity's greatest challenges. Teachers who are confident and knowledgeable about science can inspire their students, making learning exciting and engaging. When teachers are equipped with the right tools, they can transform their classrooms into places where students actively explore and solve problems, rather than just memorize facts. Moore's research not only highlights the importance of supporting teachers in rural areas, but also shows how technology can level the playing field. Her study proves that online professional development can be just as effective as traditional methods, opening up new possibilities for schools to provide high-quality training to teachers, regardless of where they live. In the end, this means better prepared teachers, more engaged students, and brighter futures for kids in rural communities.